Hi, this is Dr. Ramya Kribaharan. I am a cosmetic dentist. Today we are going to discuss about a latest technology in dentistry and it is called as clear aligners or Invisalign. Invisalign is an alternative to braces which is used to correct the teeth malalignment. So before we go into Invisalign, let me talk about the malocclusions we have. So from childhood, you would have seen many kids having crisscross teeth. It can be due to various reasons. One can be due to genetic reasons and the other can be due to the habits. When they have tongue thrusting habits or when they have thumb sucking habit, all these habits can cause malalignment of your teeth. Other than that, when they inherit the jaws of the father and teeth from their mother or vice versa, there can be some mismatch and it can lead to malalignment of the teeth. So when they have these kind of issues, what they face is they find it difficult to talk, they find it difficult to chew well. So all these problems can be addressed if the teeth are aligned properly. In order to align, there are many methods. One was metal braces, which is a traditional metal braces. Then the recent advancement came up as ceramic braces, which is tooth colored braces. Then the next one was the lingual braces, which they put inside their teeth, which will not be shown. But with lingual braces, many were suffering from the issue of ulcer and they find it difficult to maintain and talk as well. So this is when Invisalign came into the existence. So Invisalign started their work at least 20 years before in USA. Invisalign aligners are clear aligners which are made of a certain type of plastic and it is custom made according to your teeth. So how do we do it? First, you will visit a dentist nearby and it is usually done by your orthodontist. Orthodontists are people who specialize in malocclusion correction. So when you visit your nearby orthodontist, they will have an examination and they will take a digital scan, which is the iTero scan. It is an impressionless scan and it will give the accurate results. So when they take the impression with the scan, you will get the details of your teeth and they take multiple photographs of your teeth as well as face. And we send these documents to the lab in the USA and we create a treatment plan. So this is when the role of the orthodontist is very important as to give the instructions to the robot there in USA. So according to the instructions given by the orthodontist here, they will manufacture multiple number of aligners. So the number of aligners depends on the severity of your malalignment. It can vary between 7 aligners, 14 aligners, 26 aligners or up to unlimited number of aligners. So depending on the number of aligners, the treatment duration will also vary. The treatment duration can vary between 7 weeks, 14 weeks, 26 weeks or up to 1 year. When we compare it with the traditional braces which can go up to 2 years or 3 years, the treatment duration is much lesser in Invisalign and also the comfort which the patients have is incredible, that they can remove it and eat whatever they want. We have certain restrictions, right? When you have metal braces, your orthodontist will tell you not to use or chew any sticky food items, but with Invisalign you don't have such restrictions. So that is when the parents are really happy to take Invisalign, because when they have the traditional braces, kids don't eat properly and they don't chew well and they are not allowed to use this sticky food also. So they become really malnourished. That is when they can go for Invisalign, which can be removed and they can eat whatever they want. And if your kids are into sports, it is difficult to get into sports when you have the braces, as it can get damaged and it can make your tongue as well as the lips to get injured when you are engaged in any kind of sport. So for such kids also, it is advisable to go for Invisalign. Other than these kids, who all can have Invisalign? With Invisalign, you have this opportunity even for adults up to the age of 60 years. If their bone health is good, they can definitely go for Invisalign treatment. So if you are a bride who is planning to get married, then you can definitely think about Invisalign instead of traditional braces, because you can remove it and flaunt your smile during your wedding photographs and can wear it back. So your treatment is not getting interrupted in any way. And if you are a person who is a business person or who attends conferences frequently, you have business meetings and you have to talk to many people, and you are middle aged person, you can definitely choose Invisalign rather than traditional braces. So when we go for Invisalign, they can remove it and wear it. And if you are above 40 years and if you don't have any other issues like diabetes or any other root resorption issues, you can definitely go for Invisalign. But before we even advise Invisalign, we definitely take the X-ray of your teeth and the bone health also before even advising the Invisalign treatment. And the Invisalign treatment cost depends on the number of aligners and the severity of your malalignment. The cost is always on a higher side than the traditional braces, but definitely quality wise and your quality of life is also much improved when we go for Invisalign. So from where do we get this Invisalign? Invisalign is usually imported, but it is accessible for all the countries. There is only one lab globally which caters to every orthodontist. So you don't have to worry. The treatment which you get in a prominent clinic in USA and the treatment which you get in a clinic in Chennai will be the same, because there is only one lab. There is no separate lab for Asia and other continents. So the quality of the treatment is maintained. And when you choose a orthodontist, you have to look for the grade of their experience. So the experience is rated as bronze, silver, platinum, platinum elite, diamond, diamond plus, and so on. So depending on the number of cases they have handled, their experience is rated and you can trust the orthodontist and go with the treatment. Recently, we had a doctor who came all the way from Canada to get this treatment of Invisalign from us because he was planning to get married, and he is also a doctor who has got a busy schedule. According to his teeth malalignment, he needed the treatment for around 6 months. So what we did, we asked him to visit the clinic, and when he visited the clinic, we took an intraoral scan with the iTero Element scanner. With the scanner, we were able to get all the details of the teeth, and we were able to show him instantly the expected result. Okay, and after that, within 3 days, what we get is a detailed treatment plan from Invisalign lab, where we will be able to show them every week how their teeth is going to move. So the doctor was really impressed. He is a radiologist basically. So he was really impressed with this latest technology, and he also suggested that his bride also wanted to take up the same treatment. Then he asked the bride to visit the clinic, and both of them took the scan, and we took the photographs and we sent it to the lab. We got the treatment plan from the lab, we showed it to them, and they were really happy with the expected result. Here the key is the patient motivation. If the patient is not ready to wear it for 20 to 22 hours a day, then I will not advise them to go for Invisalign, because it is about the patient wearing the Invisalign regularly without any doubt. You have to wear it for every day. Only while eating you can remove it. Even while sleeping you have to have the Invisalign in your mouth. And while drinking water, you can definitely have the Invisalign in your mouth and drink water. But in case if you are consuming tea or other hot or cold products, definitely remove the Invisalign and then you can have whatever you want to have. So it is about the patient motivation to wear it every day gives the success. So there are two different factors which determines the success. One is the treatment plan by the orthodontist, who is a well experienced one, which you will choose, and the second one is the patient motivation for them to wear it. If you give excuses, the treatment will not continue properly. As in, when you wear the next set of aligners, it will not fit properly because each teeth movement is incorporated into each aligners. So if you don't wear it properly, the next aligner won't fit and your whole treatment plan will get stopped in between. So in order to avoid that, try to wear it and listen to the instructions of the orthodontist. Also, you have to use something called as chewies in order to make the aligner fit into position. The chewies will be provided by the orthodontist, and you can definitely clench onto the chewies and make sure that the aligners are fitting onto your teeth perfectly. So these two factors are really important when you consider taking up the treatment of Invisalign. So, we had a kid who visited us who was planning to move to abroad in order to continue his higher education. So, he came to us and he showed us one aligner which he was using, and he was not happy with the result, and he said, this is the Invisalign which I was using. Then when we examined, it was not Invisalign, it was another brand of clear aligners. So, these things tend to happen. So, when you are purchasing Invisalign, go to the official website and check the official certified providers of Invisalign, and in Invisalign you will definitely find a logo of Invisalign stamped on it. So, with that you will be able to identify the original and the alternative ones. The problem with the alternative ones is the exact teeth movement will not be incorporated into the aligners. So, the end result will not be as we expected. So, in order to avoid the confusion, always go with the certified Invisalign providers. After Invisalign, what next? The important aspect is retainers. So, Invisalign is invisible. The same way the retainers which they give will also be invisible, but in a thicker material. So, this retainer is used to retain the position of the teeth in the same place where we have moved, because the teeth by nature always has a tendency to go back to its original position. In order to prevent that, we have to have the retainers fixed. The problem with the retainer is many of us tend to forget the retainer part and we don't wear it. What happens then is called as relapse. Relapse will happen with either braces treatment as well as Invisalign treatment. In order to avoid this, make sure that you follow the protocol given by the orthodontist. In few cases, they will advise you to wear it only for night time. In few cases, they will advise you to wear full time, and they will advise you to wear sometimes for only 6 months or 3 months or lifetime also. So, it all depends on the severity of your malalignment. Accordingly, your orthodontist will give you the retainer protocol. When you stick to the retainer protocol given by your orthodontist, the stability which we have achieved will always be there, and there won't be going back to the original position. So, always stick to the retainers. There are different types of retainers available. There are Vivera retainers given by the Invisalign company, or there are other retainers as well. So, your orthodontist has the liberty to choose between both, and whichever is comfortable for you. When you compare the Vivera retainers with the normal retainers, the Vivera retainer will be little expensive than the normal retainer, but at the end of the day both will serve the purpose. The main thing is to wear it every day, and you have to consult with your orthodontist on the protocol. So, wear your retainer regularly, and while using the Invisalign, always and always clean the Invisalign. Many of us will not clean it properly, and in order to clean it, you don't have to buy any different gadgets. You can use the plain water and you can use your brush, and just like how you brush your teeth, you can brush the aligners and use it. So, the cleanliness is also very important. So, we had another case where the patient was around 45 years of age. He was in fact referred by his wife, who came to know about Invisalign. So, when he visited us, he was a bit concerned, as he is a big businessman who had to attend multiple meetings and conferences, and he had to fly to many countries because of his business. So, when we suggested Invisalign and its advantages, he was really happy to proceed with the Invisalign treatment. So, we took a scan of his teeth and we showed him the expected result. He went through the result and he was quite surprised that it can be achieved within the 6 months of span. Then we said, yes, it can be done because we are changing the aligners every week. So, when you take braces treatment, in braces treatment, you visit a dentist and change the wire every month. But in the case of Invisalign, it is not so. You will be given the whole set of aligners and you can change the aligners every week at your home. So, unless and until you have any procedures called as attachments, attachments are nothing but some composites which are fixed onto your teeth, which acts as a handle. Okay, when you have attachment procedures, or if there is any IPR, IPR is the reduction or slicing of your teeth in order to accommodate the aligner. So, unless you have the IPR procedure or attachment procedure, you don't have to visit the dentist regularly. You can change the aligners by yourself. So, he was quite impressed with the sort of treatment and the treatment plan and the expected result which we showed him, and he decided to start with the treatment. So, when he went back, we had literally 3 weeks for us to receive the consignment from USA, and he visited us and he went through the aligners, and we were able to show him how to wear it, because unless you know how to wear it, it is going to be difficult for you with the multiple sets. So, he learned how to wear it, and he visited us after a week for a review, and after that he had to fly back to another country. So, when he flew, we had a constant monitoring through the virtual consultations which we do. So, because of the virtual consultations and the recent advancements now we have like Zoom call or FaceTime, we were able to monitor if he is wearing it regularly. In Invisalign, there is one more thing which is very interesting, that if you are not wearing the Invisalign regularly, there is something called as a color indicator which is incorporated into it, and it will show us the patient was wearing it regularly or not. So, we were able to observe that he was wearing it regularly, and he was also able to see the result. So, after 6 months of time, when he came back, he had a brand new smile from what he had prior to it. And when he came, he was full of smiles, and we checked the retainers again, and we gave him a new set of retainers in order to retain the new smile, and he has been regular in wearing the retainer. In his case, what he had to do was to wear the retainer only for night time for 6 months. When he followed that protocol, right now he doesn't need any more treatment, and he is free of all sort of malalignment of his teeth. So, when we are planning for Invisalign, there are multiple other treatments which we can incorporate into it, because few people might require a color change. We have to understand, with Invisalign there is no color change which is going to happen to your teeth. It will only align your teeth. So, if you are looking to change the shape and the color of your teeth and also the size of your teeth, it is better to go for another treatment called as veneers. Veneers can be done after we align the teeth with Invisalign. So, if you are planning to change the color, size and shape of your teeth, then we have to choose another treatment which is called as veneers. So, what we can do, when your teeth is not arranged properly, arrange it with Invisalign treatment, and then we can go for veneers. Veneers are nothing but some ceramic layer which will be fixed onto your teeth. There is another alternative called as crowns, but crown is not advised, as more of enamel will be lost while preparing for the crown. So, for the front tooth, it is always better to go for a conservative treatment which is called as veneers. Veneers will be fixed permanently onto your teeth according to the shape and color which you desire. So, a color shade guide will be given to you, and you can choose how bright your teeth can be. There is a temporary procedure called as teeth whitening also. So, it can be done again after Invisalign treatment, but personally I would suggest teeth whitening as the last option, because with teeth whitening what you experience is some sort of sensitivity you might end up with the teeth whitening because of the chemicals which we use. So, after the Invisalign process, you can go for a teeth cleaning which is a must, and it can be repeated every 8 months, and with the teeth whitening you can repeat every 5 years, and it is done only if you have any important function or if you are a bride, then you can go for teeth whitening. But when you do teeth whitening, always remember that it's a temporary procedure, and after teeth whitening you have to be little careful about the food consumption. If you are taking colored food products like tea, coffee or tandoori which has all colors, the teeth will have a tendency to take up the colors and you will not have a good result. There are other teeth whitening kits available which can be tried at home, but it will not be safe as well as effective. So, after Invisalign treatment, it is better to get the teeth whitening done at a dentist office than attempting at home. But if you are looking for a permanent white teeth option, then you have to go for veneer treatment. Veneer treatment can be done by a cosmetic dentist or your orthodontist, but the preparation is very sensitive. So, always and always make sure that the dentist is a cosmetic dentist who can give you the best veneers and a white smile. Many pregnant women do come and ask us about Invisalign treatment. As we all know, during pregnancy, there are a lot of hormonal changes happening within you and also in your oral cavity. So, since that is happening and also your mental stress will be really high when you are pregnant, we personally wouldn't advise you or recommend you to go with the Invisalign treatment or any other dental treatment for that matter. If it is an emergency dental care, it can be done during your second trimester, not in your first trimester as well as your last trimester. So, postpartum 3 months, once you are okay with your breastfeeding and you are comfortable with your newborn, then you can think about these cosmetic treatments like Invisalign or Venice treatment. If you are a person who is really forgetful and if you tend to misplace your Invisalign, you don't have to panic. You just have to go back to your orthodontist with all the remaining set you have and show to him, and he will find a way to fix the next retainer for you, next aligner for you, or if it is required, they will take a rescan of your teeth and give you a brand new whole set for which you will not have to pay again. So, you don't have to worry about this additional aligners. After the Invisalign treatment, in certain people there is a need of refinement scan. The refinement scan is to give you more accurate result, and it is again treatment, a part of Invisalign treatment itself. Again, in the refinement scan, you will be given certain number of aligners, not the usual number of 7, 14 or 26. The number of aligners will be really less when you compare with the whole treatment plan of Invisalign. But the refinement scan will also help us to achieve the stability with your teeth. And after this refinement scan and the aligners, then you can proceed with the retainer protocol. So, to conclude, Invisalign is the latest technology in dentistry. It is an alternative to braces. It is pain free, it is comfortable, and it is easily removable and invisible. And it can be used by any age group up to the age of 60 years, from the age of 12 years, those who have good bone health. All you have to do is to find the right certified Invisalign providers, get a scan done, get your records, everything noted, and you see the treatment plan by yourself, discuss with your orthodontist, ask all your doubts and clear it all, and then you proceed with the manufacturing of the aligners. Once you receive the aligners, wear it regularly and also communicate with your orthodontist regularly. Not you don't have to visit him on a weekly basis or monthly basis, but always keep in touch with him and to monitor all the processes you are undergoing, and when you have the best perfect result. So, wear your retainers regularly, and once you get the expected result, you can thank your orthodontist and flaunt your smile. I hope you all like this new session about this Invisalign, and we will meet you with another new topic. Have a nice day.